Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S25 and today I'll show you how you can insert your SIM card. So before I get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you can use a paper clip, extend one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which will be located at the bottom of the phone, right here. So grabbing your little tool, you want to push that in there, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out. And here you'll have space for two SIM cards, so one on each side. Now by the looks of it, the bottom one has a retention bracket, so it won't be falling out if you flip it over, but the top one does not. A $1,000 device doesn't deserve to have two retention brackets apparently, so yeah. So be careful when you place it on the first one, the top one, because if you flip it over, the card could just fall out. Anyway, once you insert your SIM card, it should start to automatically work, hence why it's showing up with the SIM card pin. And that's it, the card is now unlocked and ready to be used. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.